Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So what's top of mind is the FedEx CEO's comments on the global supply chain and AI. In an interview with Fortune magazine, he said that there is a $1.8 trillion inefficiencies in the global supply chain. That's a staggering number. So there were three key takeaways from this interview. Number one is that supply chains are being rebuilt. Not surprising. You need to be rethinking your end-to-end supply chain. Number two is that AI's greatest value is in optimizing operations, not replacing people. And number three is that transformation requires aligning strategy, operations, technologies, and culture. So what should we be thinking about? How are we going to be reorganizing our supply chains? Look at sales, inventory, operations planning, SIOP programs to align all these demand and supply and people and suppliers and customers, and be looking at reshoring, nearshoring, strategic partnerships, and in essence, rethinking your supply chain for tomorrow's customer needs, not today's or yesterday's.